Born from a lineage of speed and precision, the 1992 Corvette C4 stood as a symbol of American sports car evolution during an era of bold automotive experimentation. With its sleek wedge-shaped body, pop-up headlights, and aerodynamically sculpted lines, it delivered a design that was both aggressive and refined. This model year marked significant refinements over its predecessors, including improved suspension tuning, better handling dynamics, and a more comfortable interior for long-distance cruising. Powered by the 5.7 LT1 V8, producing around 300 horsepower, it was capable of delivering exhilarating acceleration and a top speed that rivaled many European competitors. Whether on the highway or track, the C4 offered a blend of performance and style that made it a favorite among enthusiasts. Join our passionate automotive family, where stories like this are just the beginning of what we share. Be a part of our community and keep the legacy of classics alive. The C4 generation, produced from 1984 to 1996, underwent steady evolution, and the 1992 model was a major turning point due to the introduction of the LT1 engine. This engine featured advanced ignition and fuel systems for its time, improving responsiveness and efficiency, while still delivering the raw power expected from a Corvette. The 4-speed automatic and optional 6-speed manual transmissions gave drivers flexibility and performance style, while the updated steering system enhanced precision. In the broader automotive industry, the Corvette C4 stood toe-to-toe with the Porsche 944 Turbo, Mazda RX-7, and Nissan 300ZX, often undercutting them in price while matching or exceeding performance. Today, well-maintained examples of the 1990 Corvette C4 can range from $14,000 to $28,000 USD, with rare low-mileage models commanding more. Its collectability continues to grow due to its combination of modern drivability and classic design. The C4's impact on Chevrolet's performance strategy cannot be overstated. Set the stage for the groundbreaking C5 that followed. This makes the 1992 model not just a car but a piece of engineering history that bridged the gap between old-school muscle and modern sports car precision.